Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display shared folders or files in your OneDrive folder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Microsoft OneDrive account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your cloud storage and shared content. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes and your OneDrive dashboard loads. This usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's ready, you'll see your main OneDrive interface with all your files and folders displayed. Now, to view your shared folders or files in your OneDrive folder, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Shared and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage and view all content that's been shared with you or that you've shared with others. Once you click on Shared, you'll notice two tabs at the top of the page. The first tab is Shared with You, which displays all the files and folders other people have shared with you. The second tab is Shared by You, which shows everything you've shared with others. Click on either of these tabs depending on what you want to view, and you'll see a complete list of all the relevant files or folders. Now here's where it gets interesting. To actually locate these shared files on your computer, you'll need to open your File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll see various location options like Quick Access, This PC, and Network. Look carefully for the OneDrive icon in this menu and click on it. Clicking on the OneDrive icon will display all the files and folders that are currently synced between your OneDrive account and your computer. This is where your cloud storage meets your local storage, making everything easily accessible. From here, you'll be able to directly see the shared folder alongside your other OneDrive content. This makes it incredibly convenient to access shared files without having to constantly log into the web browser version of OneDrive. And that's it. You've now made your shared folders visible in your OneDrive folder, giving you quick and easy access to all your collaborative content directly from your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.